Hi, welcome to SmartLingo, your language teaching companion. So I suppose you might be a teacher. Let's start a new session and see how it goes. So first of all, our profession is a teacher, and perhaps you're a Spanish teacher in the US, so let's click on Spanish. And what vibe would you like me to have? Well, let's say we want a funny SmartLingo to help us with our teaching process. And what is our main goal for today? Let's say I'm before a class and I would like to record it and summarize it and then get some inspiration from SmartLingo with some generative content. So let's say record and summarize. Boom, here's your welcome message with Anola. Let's jump right into our goal, which is record a voice. Let's pretend that we're in a Spanish class right now. Record. Hola, hola, soy de China, soy Sean. Es muy feliz ahora. Muchas gracias. Boom. And let's convert it to text. Cool. So this is an extremely short class with only 11 seconds. And let's click on one of our smart buttons to summarize it. There we go. So with the smart summary, it tells us that Sean provided a voice recording and with some essential key points that I was introducing myself, I came from China, and I was very, very happy. So let's say because this class is about China, I would like to inspire myself with some content related to China. Let's create a story somehow for students in the US. They might be from middle school. And let's say the story is about pandas and Chinese tea. Let's go. What kind of grammar I'd like to teach today? Maybe let's do attribution clause because it's for middle school students. They're a little bit advanced. Let's go. Here we go. This is our story related to pandas and drinking tea. Okay, I can see that there's panda, bébé le thé, the panda is drinking tea. Okay, there's a bunch of attribution clause because they're using que after the main sentence. So the next step is that let's say this Spanish teacher prepares some homework for the students. So now let's choose the file. Select Eat Diary in Espanol, and then upload. Awesome. Apparently it gave me a quick summary of what Morris just wrote down, and it pointed out there are some mistakes in his essay. For example, you're supposed to add a la in front of provincia. So imagine this Spanish teacher has another 40 students in the class waiting for you to correct their essays. You can let SmartLingo to deal with all of these mistakes and summarizing the essays. During your one-on-one sessions with them, you can explain why you should put a la in front of provincia, why ciudad is a feminine word, so you should use una instead of un. It's much more convenient for the teachers to focus on the actual explanation part of why these things are wrong. They can also try to use our smart button of Inspire Me to generate more content based on students' language levels, their interests, to try to enhance, say, the usage of feminine and masculine words. The Spanish teachers will have enough time to focus on why students make such mistakes, how can we avoid making more of such mistakes, and how can we interact with them to help them learn more efficiently and faster.